All right, I got the other handle on. I didn't show the other one because, I mean, if you've watched the other videos, why would you want to see it twice? But I've got the rest of the seal on this door. I got it all tacked up. I got the side mostly welded in. I got to finish this little piece at the bottom. I got the bottom done. Then I got to go up the next side and across the back, and then the seal will be done on this side. And this door will be done, except for grinding that little thing off and painting it. Oh, and I got to cut off this extra little piece down here. But then I can move over and put the seal on that door and then start building the grates inside. And then after that, I think I'm going to do the firebox and the cross flow plate and the smokestack. Okay, I got the hole for the firebox cut out. I guess I should have recorded that, but sometimes when you're in work mode, you forget to record. So I got a torch. My grandfather had an old torch, and all the hoses and stuff had gone bad, so I went and bought some new hoses, and then I cut this hole out. So I've got the grill turned on its side. So I have the doors, but I put a little tack weld on it to keep it shut when I've turned it over. So the doors are like 90 degrees from where they should be, because I didn't want to be like down on the floor cutting this hole out. So I turned it to where it's on the side, because I haven't actually welded the tank on yet. It's just sitting on the uprights, so I could cut this hole out. Now I'll use the grinder to clean this up, and then I can start building the firebox to put right here. Okay, I'm cutting out the firebox for the grill. I already got 3 pieces. Now I got to cut out the rest of them, and I'll show you a little bit of that. Okay, I got all the pieces for the firebox cut out, and now I gotta clean them up, and then I can weld it together. All right, I got the box all tacked up. I still got to put the front face on. I'm gonna do the back face when I put it on the tank, because part of it's round, and I'm just gonna sit it up there and measure it once I got this all together. But I'll show you that part when I get to it. Okay, so I finished welding all the seams on the firebox. Next, I have to put on the hinges and cut out the door and attach it to the bottom of the tank. But I think that's all for this episode. I'll do some more in the next one. All right, well, you guys keep being awesome, and I hope you liked it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.